The air around us may look clean, but invisible contamination exists everywhere, every moment. Atmospheric air carries microscopic dust particles, humidity, airborne bacteria, virus particles, and harmful contaminants invisible to the human eye. For dental and medical applications, this air must be purified before use. This is where confident clean air technology compressors make the difference. Engineered for healthcare environments, they deliver clean, dry, and oil-free compressed air for safe and reliable operation. The process begins as atmospheric air enters through the intake filter, which removes dust and suspended impurities. The filtered air is then compressed using advanced oil-free technology, eliminating the risk of oil contamination. As the air is compressed, its pressure, temperature, and moisture content increase. The compressed air then passes through an efficient cooling system consisting of a radiator, cooling fan, and copper tubes. As the air cools, moisture condenses, improving the drying process. Next, the air enters the advanced filter column assembly. A cyclone cone directs airflow efficiently, while the silica gel drying chamber absorbs remaining moisture. Additional filtration stages remove microscopic contaminants, ensuring exceptionally clean and dry compressed air. A non-return valve prevents backflow, while an automatic pressure switch maintains the ideal operating pressure. The internally epoxy-coated air tank prevents corrosion and helps preserve long-term air purity. The result is a continuous supply of clean, dry, and oil-free air for dental chairs, sterilization systems, and medical equipment.